your hands up. Put your hands up.
Control boy 61. Can you guys? Cars, 2 subjects southbound on.
Planner's 104148.
Cars, there's going to be a black male running back between the house, Nolan and Tuxedo. Push the alley, back push the alley.
Go, Roach, go, go.
South cars, the subject is now back towards the alley. Be a black male something in his home. Oh, northbound in the alley. 251, is he still carrying something? I don't know if he made it over the fence or not. I got a bunch of abandoned cars here. As soon as I get another car, I can check them. That's the one where he at. Now cars, they're alley west of Tuxedo. Bottom of abandoned cars.
We got canine control.
Clear. 1632, hold right where you are. You're right there.
250 control. Give me a car Brookside South Drive 2. Make sure he doesn't go into the park.
Boy 250, I'm clear. 1519. Attention on cars, the subject did not make it back across Tuxedo.
No.
The house he went behind's got a big porch with a bunch of space under it.
There he is right there. Cook, wait. Wait, hang on. Cook, get over here. Get in here, Cook. Can we see your hands?
See him now!
49 Brookside,
Bram,
Tuxedo,
hang on.
1520.
There you go. Don't make me. Don't make me.
Turn on your back.
Stop resisting!
Get some cuffs.
Put your hand behind your back.
You're fine. Never will again.
Put your hand behind your back.
Control, we're one house. Control, we're trying to get him. No! No! Okay, here's his other hand, Janae.
Where is it?
Right here.
We're
trying to get him cuffed now.
Stop resisting.
Stop it!